We have to solve this given expression, square root of 8 plus 3x minus square root of 3x is equal to 2 upon square root of 8 plus 3x, and we have to find the value of x. So let us first cross multiply. The same, so it will be square multiplied by root 3x square of the square root, so it will remove, so we will have 8 plus 3x minus irrational can be multiplied, 3 8 ja 24, 3 3 ja 9, x square square root is equal to 2. 2 will be shifted here and it will be subtracted from the 8, so it is 6, and this we can shift in RHS, right hand side. Now squaring both sides. Using a plus b whole square, square root will be removed, 24x plus 9x square. 9x square will be cancelled. We shifted 24x. We shifted 24x in LHS and this 36 in RHS. Twelve 3 is 36 minus, so the value of x is minus 3. This is our answer.